in. Wave, I'm gone.
Hello, number 7. See, Richie? He's trying to catch Skip. He's trying to catch Skip. He's doing it.
Yeah, I can hear somebody calling number 7, but Lord knows he's rough and tough. I'm gonna just put it back on the rock and let the frequency roll. Number 7, waving a hand. One more time, waving a hand, and I'm gone.
Hello, number 7. Number 7, New York, Bulldozer, Georgia. I'll tell you, who the fuck you talking about? Number 7.
All right, 777, I got it all. When you said it all, no pain, no strain, big brother. You take it easy and take care. Number 7, big up the trees. Wave to you and the family. Happy 2018. 777, take care now. Number 7, I'm gone.
Hello to you and your family from New Jersey.
Hey, Bulldozer, you sound real good around the Pistol Grip New York video gate. Hey, Bulldozer, you sound real good around my Pistol Grip New York video gate. Bulldozer 127 on.
Bulldozer, go.
Hey, Bulldozer, you're making a whole lot of noise around the Big Apple.
Roger, right on, Bulldozer. Hey, Bulldozer, say 127 New York, man. Hey, Bulldozer, say 127 New York, Pistol Grip video gate, huh?
27250 got his Mickey Pop on his desktop. Hey, Bulldozer, toe crackhead
127 New York, huh?
on top of the Gorilla Building got his Mickey Pop on his desktop. 250 Big Apple Tree, just get down.
Hello, 250. 250. Hello, 127. Both of you sound good in the ATL. Bulldozer pushing.
And that's who got who's Mickey Pop.
Oh, hey, Bulldozer.
Hey, Bulldozer. Hey, Bulldozer, tell 250-127 say hi and bye.
250 just wanted to know what I had to know. That you hear 250 with my little one seal too. Look at that. I got my little.
God, this homo is long-winded around New York. 127 hole in the wall CB shop New York, huh?
Get on that one steel tube. Say it again on that one steel tube, too. Richard, just to let you know, man, he knocked you out, man. All I heard was the last part.
Well, we'll let the video gate tell the story. The only thing he's repeating is what my video gate here.
Oh, hey, Bulldozer.
Hey, Bulldozer, tell 250-127 say bye, 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 bye.
Hey, Bulldozer, 250 with his single steel
Man.
little black box. Bulldozer, God bless. You take care, brother. 250 with a steel tube somewhere around the Big Apple Tree, and I just got down.
250 and that one tube and the steel tube and that little black box somewhere around the apple tree. Bulldozer, Georgia, go.
Roger.
Hey, Bulldozer. Hey, tell me in the Pistol Grip video gate. 127 New York, huh?
50, back quiet.
Hey, really now, don't you a big fail. Hey, Bulldozer, you got a copy of 528? Hey, Bulldozer, you got a copy of 528 New York? Hey, Bulldozer.
Hey, I don't know who that is in the band, but you made it to the New York video gate, Pistol Grip, huh?
Over the top, Richie.
Sorry, 250, the video gate could tell you. Why do you think when you came off the key, he called my name? What do you think I was talking, you heard me say that? Only thing he repeated was what my video gate heard. And that's what you're gonna see later.
528 New York with the wave. 73 is 520. I hear you out there, Bulldozer. Good to hear you out there. Thank you for the comeback waving the hand. Bye, bye, bye. Bye, bye, bye. Right back. Send me threes, my brother. God bless.
I'm gonna be nice. I'm gonna give Bulldozer the title to this Pistol Grip video gate. I said I'm gonna be real nice. I'm gonna give Bulldozer the title to my New York video gate. Oh, Pistol Grip gone.
Bulldozer said he heard me, no problem.
Hey, Cracky, title this. Screw you, motherfucker. Title that.
That's good, man. You know, again.
Well, he heard you, but he didn't hear you over me. That's why he told you when you came off the key. Hello, 127, and I'm back in my rack.
Hey, Cracky, why don't you title this video? Screw you, motherfucker. How about that?
Oh, God, I got all the homos jumping around New York. I got all the homos jumping around New York. Let me end this video gate. Pistol Grip 127 in New York City. Pistol Grip with 2 P's, 127, YouTube New York video gate. Courtesy of your hole in the wall on Crooklyn, Brooklyn CB shop. Richie 127 at the helm. Got down.
It's a mirage, Richie. It's a mirage. Yo, Richie, stop seeing people outside your house. There's nobody there. There's nobody there.